Well, hello, people from the other side. You probably know what's coming. Something very white and icicle. Yes. On one of my videos recently, I had someone say, why not do an icicle one after doing the water droplet nails? And I thought, ooh, that would be interesting, especially with it getting kind of more chilly vibes and all that kind of thing. And all, I thought that was a great idea to do. So for my week of nails for this week, it's going to be icicle. Yes, I could go kind of bluish, whitish, all that kind of stuff. I could do the icicles kind of like as if they were water droplets, kind of, I guess. But I don't know if I'm going to fully do that. But I'm going to go off the whole vibes of icicles at the bottom of my nails somewhat. My nails are really, really itching to get painted because my nail polish has been falling off and I'm just like, it needs painted ASAP. I got all this polish, why not use it, right? I know. I did look up some ideas and some of them had like some nice sparkly done up icicles at the bottom of the nail, which I think would probably be the best way to do it. So I will definitely do that. So I wonder if I should use that color, that I got from Hollow Taco recently. This one, this like grayish color. That'd be pretty nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, so we'll do that. So it's gonna be like a bluish, kind of like going up grayish, white. So that's very fitting. Ooh, actually, let's see this. Which one shall I use? I think I want holographic, really, really holographic, linear holographic, what do you call icicles. So I think I will use that. Ooh, this has a nice green undertone. I don't know if I want to use this one though. I think this is more of the vibe I'm going for. Oh, where'd it go? Ah, it's gone. I'm just holding a black lid by itself, aren't I? Okay, I'm just being funny. And unintentionally, my little bowl hair is matching. Oh, life. Life systems. Okay, so on that awesome note, let's see here. What would make sense for the base color? I'm thinking this is going to be the icicles. So I need like a darker-ish base, kind of, I was thinking. Because we're definitely going to need to go to that icicle niceness. A lot of sparkle on sparkle, which is a little craze to the craze hot heavens. Yeah, I know, right? Let's see here. I got some stamped colors here. Got that. Don't need my stamped colors, that's for sure. I got this, which is the Inner Flash. I'm not a huge... I like this brand a lot. But I'm not always a huge fan of their Inner Flash, even though it does work very well. So I don't say don't get it. It's just sometimes this Inner Flash is like thicker than I would like for a nail polish, in a way. For somehow, I don't know why, but this seems to have that vibe of being a little too thickish. I could use this, but oh, that's right. I can use a tan color potential. But I did say blue, right? I could use something from Remy London, another brand I like to use. Yeah, I got 3 top brands I use the most. So, yeah, this one will just go down here. Let's see, I didn't realize, but then those aren't really, like, tanned enough. Like, I want, like, almost white to the crazy high heavens. But then blue would be nice, too. So I do have this, but is this Remy London? No. I'm only finding stuff that isn't Remy London. I don't have a Remy London blue. Oh, yes, I do, but it's, It's sparkly like this, though. Let's see. Let me just see these together. No. I could make this more of a matte color using the matte top coat I have to kind of dull the sparkle in this. So it's like an interesting blue dullness. And then this is the more, if I can do that, let's just see how that makes sense. Because what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to go underneath, kind of do a few coats maybe of that and then that. So that's what I'm probably going to need to do. Because I don't want this to get undulled. So that's going to be the only issue. So I might need to figure out how I can do the top coat when it's the glossy top coat without going on all of it. And then do that. Because I think I want it subdued. Because I'm kind of going off the vibes of the other one I did with the raindrops. So what I'm doing with that is I want to dull some of it up. But a lot of times, in my opinion, with the dulling is when you use a matte top coat. I think Christine that owns Hollow Taco said this. You need to put a glossy on first and then mattify it because it makes it last longer. Because the matte top coat doesn't always seem to be the best by itself. So you do a layer of that, and then I have to do it again, but only on the icicles. That's what I think I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to do some mattifying. So it's going to be this color, I think. So I don't want to use that other one that's a matte color, because I kind of want to go with the Remy London brand for this. So, and we'll do some Hollow Taco with the icicle. So that's going to be the vibes. I don't know if I should do an accent nail any other way. Oh, I could do the accent nail opposite. That could be interesting. This could be the icicles. But then that wouldn't be right. So, anything that might make sense before I officially go? No, I think I'm just going to do this, and we're going to get to the icicleness of it all. A nice close-up of the first color with this nice blue, and then the one I'm going to use for the white hollowness color that I thought of using as the base. This awesome one. Yes, Cereba, for sure. So put on the first color that I'm using mostly, which is this blue, and it definitely going to need a few coats. Both of these need a few coats. This one's going to need, I think, more than the other one because it's even more see-through. But you can see, yes, this one's going to need a third one as well. Definitely. Some of these polishes do. And we're putting the second one on now of the nice shimmery Hollow Taco color of white with hollow in it. Looks amazing from the Rock Collection. Loving that. Now I'm just putting the first little thing on to hold it in. Now it's the matte top coat to put on to make the color nice and mattified for sure. And now that I've done that, you can see it's very mattified. I am putting on the icicle part of the nail. I'm kind of just dabbing it on, try to let it get off the brush as I put it up. Because I thought that was a good way to do that, making this one just a little bit longer and all that. I'm just coloring the bottom how it showed in what I got the inspiration from to make it look very icically. So I'm making sure that there's a thick part at the top where it's all attached, and then it's starting to drip down from like the weight, you know. And I thought of adding some gems. So I'm going a little crazy with some gems in the glue, and these are the gems I'm going to use. As you can see, I am doing the icicle look, but I thought for this one on the accent nail, I'll make it kind of sparkly. So I got some sparkles to make the icicle part with. And I thought the best part to do that would be some blue gems to go off the blue color of the other color. Because I just felt like doing one nail. I wouldn't want to do all of them like this. I'm glad I only did the one with the gems, not all of them. Especially because I don't want gems falling off. And this is better if they're not, if it's just the one, especially that close to the pinky, but in the middle nail. It's probably good. Oops, that one got the wrong direction. So I had to take that off before it dried it on. Now I'm just holding it all in with a nice glossy top coat of it. And everything. That looks good. Did the whole nail with that one. This one I'm only doing the bottom part because that's the part I want to keep glossified, and the rest I want to keep matte for now. So that looks really nice. I'm very happy with the outcome for sure. That is dang awesome. Well, there we go. My icicle nails are all nice and done. As you can see, I did the opposite on my other hand. I did the white sparkly on the top with the blue on the bottom. And I did do the same thing with the matteness, with some of the sparkle underneath showing not matte after I did it. Same on this hand. This one does look a little more icicle-y. I don't know if that's because it's the silvery color is more icicle color or what. And this is my hand that's harder for me to do lines on sometimes, so that might be part of it as well. But it still looks nice. I thank you guys, and I thank my awesome follower for giving me that idea, just like this idea that I was given. If you have any that you are saying, ooh, maybe you should do that, let me know down in the comments below, and I will for sure look into it, and if I can do it, and I got an idea off of that or whatnot, I will for sure do it, because I always love to know what you guys are thinking and all that awesomeness is. I'm here to show you my fun of doing my nails. So with all that in mind, and these icicle nails of this icicly time of year, till next time, Spiggle, bye.